This is the Itel P55. It is the most affordable option or the cheapest in the P series. It comes with a 50 megapixels camera, which I really do love here on this device. And then the UniSoC T606 processor. Honestly, Itel has really stepped up. And this year alone, they've surprised everybody. I think they really deserve an award. No, I have an award for the brand. I have an award for Itel. Now, if I am to give an award to Itel, what do you think the award should be? Maybe the Innovation Brand of the Year 2023. What do you guys think? Okay, just hold on. I'll give them the award at the end of this video. So out of the box, you get this beautiful looking smartphone. I really do appreciate the color, and also the price reflects the design. So for 93,900 naira, you get this design that looks like the Itel S70 with camera modules that feels like the iPhone, and a reflective matte finish with pretty much everything else you need to get started. The major highlight of this phone is a 50 megapixels camera and then the 5000 mAh battery. So I guess that's why it is called power. You know, P stands for power, right? Okay, so moving on, let's test the 50 megapixels camera and see the performance for ourselves. So daylight pictures have a good amount of details in its picture, although not the 100%, but at the same time the result is inconsistent, especially when the subject is actually exposed to direct sunlight. And then high dynamic range struggles a bit. The video is alright. It is a 1080p video with no stabilization, and the color is pretty much okay. I mean, you get all the quality expected for the price. Another good feature here is the performance. It is decent and strong enough to power your daily tasking efficiently. You have the UniSoC T606 processor, paired with the 4 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of internal storage. Although nothing so spectacular here, but I do commend the responsiveness of the budget chipset here. Multitasking is at the best speed, and also launching apps. But having too many apps open would definitely slow down the processing. So instead you can increase the RAM to 12 gig. It is not actually made for heavy duty apps considering the budget processor here. It is more of an image processing chipset, and also not much of a gaming device, but more of multimedia smartphone, which means you're definitely going to enjoy watching media content here. It is a 6.6-inch punch hole display with a 90Hz refresh and a 720p resolution. It is really nice to have a punch hole display and a 90Hz screen refresh under 100K, and also the dynamic bar feature. It also supports the face unlock. So viewing media content on this phone is very colorful and also very immersive, especially having just the punch hole. It literally feels like nothing obstructs your view, except that it is 720p limited. But that doesn't mean you can't watch 1080p videos. Just select the choice of resolution if it's a YouTube video and you're fine. And then you have the fingerprint sensor on the right side of the phone, and it is also the power button. And same goes for all the devices in the P series. They all have the side mounted fingerprint, that is also the power button, and then the volume up and down rockers. And then you have the tray for 2 nano SIMs and your micro SD card for memory expansion. And then underneath the phone, you have the Type-C USB port, the speaker grill, the microphone, and the earphone port. Now inside the box, you have an included 18 watt fast charger to juice up the 5000 mAh battery here. So the 5000 mAh battery here is the reason why this one is called power. And I think it has the strongest battery amongst others, because the processor here does not feed too much on battery. It is not a heavy processor. So you charge once, you use for 2 days, 3 days, or perhaps I should test that out and make a video about it. What do you guys think? So I think for you to see that video, you need to subscribe to my channel right now and let me know if you want to see that video in the comments. In the software side, you have the Android version 13 that is beefed up with Bluetooth, but overall the performance is good for everyday use, and also for this love season of Christmas. The Itel P55 is a very good gifting idea for your loved ones like me. It is not so expensive, but it packs good features and a solid performance. So guys, what do you think? What do you think differently of the Itel P55? Let's go to the comment and talk about it. Okay, for the award, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be reviewing all the devices in the P series. So at the end of it, I will give the award. and you don't want to miss out on any of that journey, it is simple. Kindly click on that subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button, just touch it, and then turn the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss out on that video and also on the award. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.